Swadika everyone. Today we're gonna carve a Marian plum into a flower. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. Shall we? Start peeling the fruit just like you are going to eat it, but don't peel it all the way. Just leave it hang or attach to the bottom. After slicing the skin out, you're going to take a plastic piece that act like your personal carving board and start cut a scallop edge on top of each section. Then you're going to split in that section with a V shape. So when you pop it up, you have two layer effect on the skin. Start doing so until you finish all the pieces of the fruit. After you finish, this is going to look. Then we will start carving the second layer or the petals section. Use thin slice and trim it. Next to the slice, you need to trim it out. Make sure you drag the tip of the knife all the way to the top to get a sharp tip. Continue carving until you finish all the space that in the fruit. It depends on the size of your slice or the fruit. You might get 4 petals or 5 petals. It depends on your carving and the size of the fruit. Continue carving until you finish. Be sure to trim it close to the seed. This fruit had a seed inside, so we have to leave it on just like that. Otherwise, it's not going to hold the shape. After you finish carving the petal, you need to go and trim the top part of the fruit, and then this is what gonna look like. Your flower is finished. And soak them in the cold water so they can harden and take shape when you display on a plate or platter. I hope you enjoyed this tip and technique that I show you. Thank you for watching and take care, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified on my next coming videos.